What's going on, guys? Joey with Panthers Pro Wash, Charlotte, North Carolina. So I just wanted to show you guys my van, and based on the people that I've talked to on forums and have seen driving around, I'm pretty sure I'm probably one, if not the only, power washing window cleaning company in America that is doing this out of a Dodge Caravan. So I bought the van for $800 about a year ago. It was a family van, and it got passed down to all the kids, and you know, it's been in the family a long time. So I bought it from them with 207,000 miles on it, and it runs great. One of the best vans ever. So I just wanted to take you on a quick tour in case there is anybody out there that was thinking about doing this or has done it or is a little bit too embarrassed to admit that they're doing it out of a Dodge Caravan, which I'm not. I think it's awesome. So here we go. So this side is my window cleaning side for the most part. This door here actually just got it fixed, and it now opens and closes. So on this side there are some things here. I got these little things from Northern Tool. They just have a bunch of different odds and ends, quick connects, O-rings and stuff like that. Just random things, proportioners for the X-Jet, all kinds of different things. It's not filled up yet, but it's getting there. Tips, you know, that kind of stuff. Then I got my bucket for my window cleaning, traditional style, for all my storefronts that I do. That's about 150 foot of water-fed hose reel. This is a nice electrical reel that you can get at Home Depot. They're like $12. Highly recommend it, especially if you need something to put your water-fed hose reel on. DI tank back there. I got my belt hanging on a nice little latch here. This weekend I also tore out the headliner that was trashed, and as you can see I got some yard signs up there. That way those are my backup ones, I'm never out of them. Two 15-gallon carboy tanks for bleach. This is just a random set of tools I got in here: hammers, screwdrivers, pliers, vice grips, you know, just various things that you may or may not end up needing. So there we go. And then in here is just some random supplies. I got some cougar paws, fuel for my backpack blower, brush, gloves, trash bags, spray bottles, nitrile gloves, that kind of stuff. Just various things that you don't really necessarily want to get wet and don't really have a place to put. So that's where that goes. Down here. Now, I've never seen anybody show this on their vehicle, but there is a fire hydrant that I just mounted to this van. And if you don't have one, please, for the love of God, get one. You never know what happens. So just make sure you get a fire extinguisher. It's like $20 at Northern Tool, I think is where I got it. $20 and you're extra safe. So make sure you get one of those. This is my Boab that I use, and then one for storage. Haven't put all my other squeegees and channels and T-bars in there yet, but that's where they're going. So we'll walk around to the rear here. So back here you got the pressure washer. That is a 26 gallon spray tank from Northern Tool. I got it for $60. That's what I batch mix all my house wash mix into. It's a great job. You see there's a 12-volt pump on top of there for self-washing roofs and stuff like that. It's just a basic setup. Chemicals, EBC, Dragon Grip, gutter butter, Dawn dish soap, obviously if you're a window cleaner, and then just like the bare basics right there. Finally figured out how to mount this sucker on the inside. The surface cleaner has always driven me crazy. It just doesn't have a place. I get worried about it being on the roof, people stealing it flying off, that kind of stuff. So, and then 300-foot hose reel, high pressure hose with my step ladder, and backpack blower and spray tank, hand pump up sprayer. Good for random things. I need to get about 2 more of these for other things like oxalic acid, and you know, various other chemicals of that nature. And that's basically that. Oh, up top I got my 2 ladders. I got my 28 and 24-foot ladders. They fit, they do a good job. That's all that matters. This could be mounted better, I know, don't laugh at me. It is what it is, but in here is where I got my traditional pole, I got my lances, and then my water fed pole is back there as well. There you go. So good little tube. It's just a PVC tube, 1-inch PVC tube from Home Depot. Get you a little bit of glue and these two attachments. This piece here and then the lid. Put it together and mount it on the top. Good to go. And that's basically it. The front is a work in progress, but that's really where I am all day. So if you guys have any suggestions for how to organize your towels, please let me know. I would really appreciate that. And if you have any suggestions on how I can improve my setup, please let me know too, or anything that you think would be sweet for doing this. Well, I appreciate your time. Thanks so much. Have a great day, y'all.